Hey, hi, Gabrielle Angel Lilly here. I want to tell you a little bit more about my fantastic vision for a global network of Unity Community Centers. And I have a video just now that I made which tells you a little bit more in rapid pace about my vision for the centers themselves. And I'm going to have more developed pictures on a website for that soon. But I want to tell you a little bit about the finished product, what it's gonna provide for the community and the world that it's in, which is it's going to connect older people with younger people. It's going to be a place where travelers and locals can meet, can get to interact, can get to know each other. It's going to be a place where local and traveling musicians and performing artists can meet and get to know each other and interact and work on collaborative pieces. It's going to be a place where people who don't normally get to experience the creative process of art and music get to come in and make some art, make some music with other humans or on their own. There's going to be a place where there's a hand-picked gift shop of positivity framed stuff. So on to how it will be self-supporting. There will be classes, there will be shows, there will be walk-through art gallery, special like interactive times where it's paid and other times where it's free. There will be classes on forest. There will be tree planting in the community. There will be waste cycle loop closing between schools and hospitals and their compostable waste out of their kitchens and returning microgreens and fresh produce in some cases, or planting orchards for the schools. There'll be, again, whatever's appropriate for the community center. But here in New Mexico, it'll be a lot about water preservation, a lot about trees, a lot about waste loop closing. So I look forward to telling you more about that on my website. I hope you will check out some more of my videos. There should be a card there and some links down here. And please tell me any questions that you have. I would love to know them. Tell me if you have any ideas. I would love to know them. Till next time, peace.